Welcome to Vegas!
What's up, yo? It's John Master Lee.
And Lulu.
And today we're gonna have a stroll along the Vegas Strip.
Exciting!
Vegas has just reopened. And just about every major casino is now lit up. People are coming out to gamble, and Vegas is coming back alive again.
Woo!
Like most big cities, Vegas shut down due to the coronavirus. And while it was a smart move, considering that Vegas is hugely dependent on tourists, which could create the perfect storm for passing the virus on to strangers and then them going back home and potentially spread it further, it totally makes sense. I get why Vegas had to shut down, but the effect of all the casinos closing down for this long has been devastating to us. So we're happy to see Vegas light up at night. We just checked out the Bellagio, which we did in another video, so make sure you check that out.
That's right.
And now we're gonna see how many people are out along the strip. Now we're focused on the middle section of the strip here, right where Bally's Grand Bazaar Shops is located. Typically this place is packed with people.
Super packed.
It's a popular spot to grab a bite to eat because of the variety of restaurants here and the relatively cheaper prices compared to the restaurants at the nearby casinos.
It's still pretty expensive.
But just a quick glance of this place from up above on this walkway, and you can instantly see that it's still pretty dead. Not a lot of people are out. Few stores are open, and as of right now, we're not even sure we can get something to eat. That being said, if you ever do come and visit the Grand Bazaar Shops, I highly recommend that you come here during the evening, especially during the summertime, because just a few hours ago when the sun was out, it was almost 110 degrees out here. And there is not a lot of shade out here in this Grand Bazaar, which is bizarre. And yeah, most of the shops here are just not open. I mean, pretty much looks like nothing is open here. And the one thing that is open, of all things, is It's Sugar, which is this massive candy store. So let's just check it out.
Let's go. What? So cute. Ooh, I want to get sour. Where's that? My favorite candy. Where's that? Right there. This one. Diet start tomorrow. That's exactly what I always say every single day. I'll start my diet tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, I'll start my diet tomorrow. Hello, welcome, fabulous. Ooh, something for adult stuff here. Look at that. I'll buy this. And I'll have John eat the candies. And there's another one. This is naughty. Oh my god. Oh, check this out. Oh, that's definitely for adults only. I'm gonna get one and prank John. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Adult only, my gosh. The socks are so cute.
All right, well, we came here to eat, so we tried to find something that was open, and all we could find was 4 food stalls.
And 2 of them were ice cream.
Not that I hate ice cream. Ice cream good. We got ourselves some ice cream, but we wanted some grubbage, and the only options were a pizza
And Mediterranean wraps.
so we had both.
Yes, we did.
All right, so not many places to eat that are open. There is a Mediterranean food, and then Marish ice cream, and then a pizza.
Yet, you can't decide what you're gonna eat.
The minute you get choices is the minute I get paralyzed with too many choices.
1, 2, and 3, or 2 actually.
Or you can get what you want. You can get that, and I can get that, and then there you go. Yeah, I'll get a slice of Supreme then. There were a few restaurants open like Giordano's, which is deep dish Chicago style pizza, but that was just a little too heavy for our taste. So yeah, we just went with the 2 food stalls that are open. Not complaining, quite delicious actually.
I have to agree, that was a good pizza.
Yeah, it didn't look that good. I was questioning whether or not that pizza's been sitting out there for 10 hours because nobody's coming by, but it was pretty fresh. It was tasty.
Favorite slippers! Let's go! But they're closed!
The one lone store here that is open, which is a bunch of cell phone cases. Like tons of cell phone cases. Look at this. Wow.
Bling, bling.
You have enough cases, babe. No more. No more. This whole place is closed. Actually, I would say about 25% of the places are open. So if you want to come to Vegas now, you can still enjoy yourself. There's still things to see, there's things to enjoy, but you think of this trade-off, right? Half the people, half the stores. Is it worth it for you? Maybe.
Yes.
All right, so there's not much going on here, so we decided to walk the strip a bit to see if other places were open. Now, as you can see, there actually are a lot of people walking up and down the strip, especially around the major casinos. Right down this way, you can see that it's Paris, Las Vegas, and yeah, it's pretty busy around here. The best part about this, though, is that it's right across the street from the Bellagio. And with the fountains out front, you can hear it, you can see it. It's like the best show, and they have it going on a couple times an hour. It's fantastic. All right, since Vegas is reopened, the big concern, of course, is whether or not you need to be careful when you're out here. And the short answer to that is, well, hell yeah, of course. But I noticed that most people out at night are not wearing masks.
Dangerous.
You people are crazy. Now, admittedly, we did take off our masks so you can hear us, and there are a few people around, so there's relatively low risk. So the whole point of wearing a mask is to make sure that it reduces the chance of the virus spreading. So even if you're healthy, even if you don't think you're going to get it, the point is not to take the chance. Just give you a fair warning, coronavirus cases is spiking in Las Vegas ever since the reopening. So if you want to gamble,
Keep that in mind.
that's right. All right, so Paris, Las Vegas, as you can see, is now reopened. It's so beautiful at night, and it is the 4th Caesar Hotel Casino to reopen after Caesar's Palace, the Flamingo, and Harrah's. And yeah, in case you didn't know, Caesar's is this massive conglomerate of casinos and hotels, and they own a huge number of properties here in Las Vegas. Now, I've always loved this particular hotel and casino because it has more of a historical flair to it compared to some of the ultra-modern casinos that now exist. And I do recommend you come visit this one. And I actually think this is a great place to stay because it's right smack dab in the middle of the strip, very convenient, and boy, rooms are super cheap right now.
How cheap is it?
Well, I checked it up online and I noticed a hotel room for as little as $50 a night right now.
What? Let's go. Staycation.
Yeah, we do live in Vegas, so the idea of actually staying on the strip for a couple of nights every week just to take advantage of these low rates actually is pretty tempting. Let us know if you want us to do that, and we'll make some vlogs about it. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, let us know.
You have to be a part for how many minutes?
By the way, this is one of the best pieces of advice that we got from a friend. If you want to have a great time just sitting along the strip, enjoying the Bellagio fountains, come up here to the beer gardens because most people don't know it exists. It's on the 2nd floor. You have to walk up to it, but it's a very casual, chill environment. Hang out, have a beer outside. You have shade up here so it never gets too hot, and oh, it's just fantastic.
Beautiful. Love that place. Wow! Check this out.
Not yet.
Nice.
Come on,
And of course, you gotta check out the Bellagio Fountains. Fantastic show. And right now, throughout the summer, they have 3 special shows that they're showing every single night, dedicated to the essential workers and helping us deal with a pandemic. When the Bellagio puts on exclusive shows, oh, it's totally worth seeing. The last one we saw was when they had a Game of Thrones show out, and
that was
so
the best.
awesome. All right, y'all. Thanks for coming and enjoy the stroll with us along the strip. All right, y'all. Have a good one, and we hope to see you in Vegas soon.
Bye. Good night, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.